In this video, we're going to be going over how to add music to your Instagram posts. So if you want to add music to your Instagram, first thing we're going to do is open up the Instagram app and we're going to go like we're going to create a piece of content. So we're just going to click the little plus button here. It's going to allow us to choose what we want to post here. So let's say I want to post this right here. So I'm going to click post and I'm just going to follow these prompts like I would normally do this. And you can do this for a photo or a video as well. And once I'm on this page here, you should see something that says add music as the second option. It's going to give you a couple quick options here that you might want, but if we just click above that, we'll be able to search for different pieces of music. You can even save these different pieces of music and go between for you, so based off of your previous choices, or just browse around and see what is popular and what we might want to use. Again, if you go to your saved, you might have some pieces of music that you can save as well. So let's say I like this one. I just click it and I can choose which part of the song I want to use. And if I press the little play button here in the right, it should play that content and I can listen to it and see which part of the music I want to have. When I'm done, I click that done button and you can see the music right here. This second tab is now chosen and that is the song. And all I would do is click share and that is how you can add this music. Now, if you're going to create a reel, let's say I want to create a reel and I'm going to, let's say, make a video real quick. So I make a video, I'm recording. Now, what I'm going to do is click this little music button in the top left here that says audio. And then same thing, it'll bring up this page. I can choose what music I want. I can press listen to hear them. Let's say I want this first one and I want this music as well. I'm going to click done. And then that music is now added to this reel. I'm going to click next. I can see the whole reel here. Click next. And that is how you can add music to your reel. I would post just like normal. You can't add it after the fact. It has to be during the editing here. But that is how you can add music to your post or your reels on Instagram.